Bearing discipline, pride, and the spirit of service are the graduates and the trainees of this class. Let us welcome them with a resounding applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, marching before you are the proud members of Advanced ROTC Academic Phase Training, Sansilab Class 16 2026, led by its Troop Commander Cadet Major Dayan Bercasio, First Class. The Advanced ROTC Academic Phase Training, Sansilab Class 16 2026, officially commenced on 26 June 2026, marking the beginning of a 14 days rigorous training journey. This distinguished a cohort comprised of 208 cadets from different schools and universities in the Bicol region, wherein 12 from Mabini colleges, 31 from University of Camarines Norte, 17 from the Santa Elena Camarines Norte College Incorporated, a total of 60 cadets from the province of Camarines Norte, 87 from the province of Camarines Sur, wherein 30 of which are from Central Bicol State of Agriculture, Pili and Calabanga campus, 7 from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Ragay campus, 5 from Naga College Foundation, 15 from Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, 6 from Pili Capital College Incorporated, 5 from Partido State University, 19 from Holy Trinity College, 12 from University of St. Anthony, and 10 from Partido College, 18 from the province of Catanduanes, wherein 9 from Christian Polytechnic Incorporated College, and 9 from Catanduanes State University, 24 from the province of Albay, wherein 6 from Zamora Memorial College, 3 from Bicol University, 14 from Amando Cope College, and 1 from Tiwi Community College, 2 from Sorsogon State University from the province of Sorsogon, and 18 from the province of Masbate, wherein 7 from Liceo de Masbate, 11 from the Mesemcat, and 1 from Aroroy Municipal College. Throughout the course, this individual engaged in an intensive and comprehensive training program focused on honing their drill precision and leadership capabilities. The program of instruction was designed to elevate their proficiency in executing and teaching the drill movements while fostering a heightened sense of discipline and cohesion. Ladies and gentlemen, marching before you are the proud members of Advanced ROTC Academic Phase Training, Sansilab Class 16 2026. Let us give them a round of applause.
May I request everyone to please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem through audio-visual presentation.